यार, why is he not replying? How many more messages should I send him?
और अभी तक कितनी बार मैसेजेस किया है?
Just about every hour.
Rutvi, stop texting him. You should know when to stop, especially when investing your time and money. As a stock market investor, knowing about the 10% investment rule is critical. This is the one rule that can help you survive bear markets. It's a simple rule. For example, if you own an individual stock that falls 10% or more than what you paid for it, it's recommended that you sell the stock. You must be wondering, why do we put a cap of 10% loss? That's because getting back on track after a loss of more than 10% can be a challenging task. This rule acts as a mental stop loss when it comes to justifying your losses. It helps you become a savvy investor and know when to sell a stock and when to buy it.
However, this investment rule applies only to individual stocks. For more such information, follow ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.